So you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Oh my, oh fuck, dude. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Alright.
I gotta get some more momentum here. How's it look? How's it look?
You're still good. Now we're going backwards.
Still good?
Well, I can't, dude, there's trees in the way, I can't tell. Alright, you're good, go, go, yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Your money. Your money.
Yeah!
Hell yeah.
Woo!
This is some good shit. I'm gonna help this window up here. I'm gonna roll it up. So we're on the May.
Look at this shit.
Bose is excited.
I am very excited.
Hey, roll this shit up, man.
Oh, is it locked?
Well, I'm trying to record and shit. Just 7-Eleven.
Alright. Oh!
Oh, fuck that. I like drunk snow riding. You're driving. You're not drunk driving. I'm drunk snow riding.
Look at this guy. He's gonna lose his chance.
Go, Ranger. Look, that's another Ranger. No, it's not. It's like a Toyota. A little two-wheel drive, probably. Hey, screwed. Good luck there, bud. Oh, man, he's getting really screwed. I'd have to help this chump. He's screwed
sorry, man.
right now.
We can't do shit for you. We got our own shit to deal with.
Bose, anything to say?
Yeah, I love Winder. I gotta make this turn in 5 points. 5 points. Here goes. Look at the visibility. There is none.
What visibility?
Right. What do you think? 70 feet now?
Yes.
I hope there's